Welcome back. Today we're taking an objective look at the Holy Stone drone with camera for adults 4K, a lightweight GPS drone designed for aerial photography and recreational flying. Rather than focusing on marketing claims, we'll examine its specifications, features, and what those numbers mean in everyday use. One of the first specifications that stands out is its weight. The drone weighs less than 249 grams. In many countries, this places it below certain registration thresholds for recreational users, although regulations vary depending on where you fly. Even with its lightweight construction, it includes several features commonly found on larger camera drones. The camera system combines a 48-megapixel image sensor with support for high-resolution still photography and 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. While image resolution numbers are often highlighted, factors such as lighting conditions, sensor size, and stabilization also influence overall image quality. For most recreational aerial photography, 4K recording provides enough detail for viewing on modern televisions, computer monitors, and social media platforms. Helping improve video stability is the drone's 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Unlike electronic stabilization alone, a mechanical gimbal physically compensates for aircraft movement, helping reduce vibrations during flight. This is especially useful when recording while flying forward, changing altitude, or encountering light wind. Navigation relies on an integrated GPS positioning system. GPS enables functions such as stable hovering, automatic return to home, waypoint flight planning, and assisted navigation. If signal conditions allow, return to home can automatically guide the drone back toward its recorded takeoff point when activated or if battery levels become low. The manufacturer lists a digital transmission range of up to 10 kilometers using a 5.8 GHz communication system. Actual operating distance depends on local regulations, radio interference, weather conditions, and maintaining visual line of sight, which is required in many jurisdictions. For most recreational flights, users typically operate well within the maximum advertised transmission range. Flight endurance is another notable specification. The package advertises up to 60 minutes of total flying time using multiple batteries. Actual flight duration per battery varies according to wind, speed, altitude changes, and camera usage. Hovering generally consumes less energy than aggressive maneuvering or continuous climbing. The drone also includes several automated flight functions, often referred to as AI QuickShots. These pre-programmed flight paths allow the aircraft to perform movements such as circling, pulling away, or following a subject while recording video. These automated modes are intended to simplify capturing cinematic aerial footage without requiring advanced piloting skills. Additional GPS-assisted features include Follow Me mode, waypoint navigation, and intelligent flight assistance. These functions use satellite positioning to automate portions of the flight while the pilot continues monitoring the aircraft. As with any autonomous feature, maintaining awareness of surroundings remains important because obstacles, weather, and signal quality can affect operation. Its foldable design improves portability, making transportation easier when traveling or hiking. The compact folded size allows it to fit into many camera bags or backpacks without occupying significant space. As with all drones equipped with cameras, operators should become familiar with local aviation regulations, privacy laws, and any flight restrictions before use. Safe operation includes maintaining visual line of sight, avoiding restricted airspace, monitoring weather conditions, and respecting the privacy of others while flying. Overall, the Holy Stone drone with camera for adults 4K combines several technologies commonly associated with consumer camera drones, including GPS navigation, a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, 4K video recording, intelligent flight modes, and extended total flight time across multiple batteries. Understanding these specifications provides a clearer picture of the drone's intended capabilities beyond the marketing descriptions. Thanks for watching. If you found this overview informative, consider subscribing for more objective technology reviews where we focus on specifications, features, and real-world functionality rather than promotional claims.